In an ideal world, life is easy. Requests come one by one and deadlines are reasonable, so projects are delivered on time and with high quality. Whole chain satisfaction is easy to achieve. Reality, however, is a different world. Projects are divided up into several parts, which often overlap, and deadlines are tight. So many people are involved and project tracking becomes a nightmare. Consequences of this lack of control might be irreversible. Keeping consistency when working with multiple teams becomes a key point in terms of quality. Both considering the working files themselves and external references. At Pink Noise, we are familiar with these potential stumbling blocks, and we have created a centralized virtual environment that streamlines this team-oriented work process. Effective communication is guaranteed. Whenever a project is launched, a shared environment is established. New members joining the team are no longer at a disadvantage, as all the updated information is at their fingertips. This environment ensures consistency. A translated text is synchronized on our servers and made available to all participants. Additionally, quality control inspections grant compliance with glossaries and other reference material. Welcome to Pink Noise community.